Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you watch my last video on YouTube, you already know I pick up my AY49 video making kit on Jumia, but I couldn't figure out how to assemble it together. Well, today that's changed. I finally figured out how to assemble it together, and I'll be showing you guys exactly how to set it up step by step. So let's get into it. So this is a AY49 video making kit. So let's assemble it together. Okay. This is the microphone. This is the remote. This is the LED light. And this is the tripod. So this is how we assemble the tripod. Put it like this for it to be balanced. And this is a phone holder. If you want your phone to be in horizontal, you will use this place. But if you want your phone to be in vertical, you will use this place. Like this for vertical and like this for horizontal. So let's use horizontal because I want it to make video. So here's the phone right here, the phone holder. And this is a LED light for the video to be bright. And this is the microphone. You are going to plug this on the microphone jack like this. And this is the remote to control the picture and video. If you turn on the remote and you go to Bluetooth to connect together, this is AB Shorter 3. Okay, appearance. Okay, so I used to carry the snap picture. Smile. You look bad. And you can use it to start and end your video like this. I'm literally using the video making kit to film this right now. The light is amazing. The tripod sound well, and I hope the microphone sound top notch. So let's hear it out. After listening to this video, I realized the microphone was not working. So I went to YouTube to search for solution on what to do if the AY49 video making kit is not working. So I came across this video that said I might be having issue with the microphone because my phone does not support an external mic. She recommended downloading an app called Open Camera and turn on the microphone setting. Hello guys, I'm testing the microphone for the second time and I hope it worked this time around. I'm testing the microphone for the second time and I hope it worked this time around. Uh, After listening to the video, I don't think the microphone is working. So it is what it is. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.